Hand washing is one of the most important things you can do to prevent food poisoning when you're harvesting or prepping food for yourself or for others. Washing hands frequently with soap and water is an easy way to prevent germs from spreading around the kitchen to other foods. Germs can spread to other people or surfaces when you touch your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands, prepare or eat food and drink with unwashed hands, touch contaminated surfaces or objects, blow your nose, cough, sneeze into your hands, and then touch other people's hands or shared objects.
Wash your hands often, especially before, during, or after preparing food, after handling raw meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs, before and after harvesting food, before and after eating, after touching an animal feed, or animal waste, or any of these additional situations. Wet hands with clean water and apply enough soap to cover all surfaces. First, you're going to clean your palms, then the back of your hands, between your fingers, your fingertips, the back of your fingers, while paying special attention to the thumbs and wrists. Rinse after 20 seconds. Dry thoroughly and remember to use a towel to turn off the faucet.
If soap and water aren't available, you can use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Hand sanitizer can quickly reduce the number of germs on hands in many situations. However, hand sanitizer does not get rid of all types of germs. Hand sanitizer are not as effective when it comes to visibly dirty or greasy hands. Hand sanitizer might not remove all harmful chemicals from hands like pesticides or heavy metals. Be sure to supervise young children using alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Swallowing alcohol-based hand sanitizers can lead to alcohol poisoning, so store the container safely away after use. Apply the gel product to the palm of one hand. Read the label to learn the correct amount. The gel should cover your hands completely. Rub hands together and rub the gel all over the surface of your hands and fingers until completely dry. Do not wipe dry. This should take at least 20 seconds.